So what we're going to do is we're going to take a little bit of this solution, and I'm going to put a little bit in the bottom of this conical flask. So I'm just going to pour a little bit of this liquid in. This is a substance called hydrogen peroxide. It's like water, except it's not water. It's got too many oxygens, and when we put this substance, this little black substance, in there, it's going to try and help get rid of the extra oxygen atoms. So I'm going to give it a good stir, and then I'm going to pour this in there, and as soon as we pour that in there, your job is you've got to put that on there. So get ready to put that on. Are you ready? So I'll give this a good mix, and ready, steady, go. Can you see the bubbles here? And those bubbles there that are being produced are going all the way up through the tube and into the gas jar. There we are. Now put two gas jars here, because we're probably going to give it a good stir. It might make too much oxygen. We're going to find out if it's oxygen in a minute anyway. Right, so that's coming down. What we're going to do now?
You're going to switch them.
We're going to switch them. Okay, so ready to switch.
Now you've added more water.
Hmm?
Now you've got water down there.
Yeah, but we've got air in there now. Now what we're going to do is we're going to see if we can find out what gas this is. And a way to do that is we're going to take a lighted splint like this, that's burning, and we're going to blow this out, and while it's still glowing red hot, we're going to put that in there, and if it's oxygen it relights, and you saw it burnt really with quite a good flame, sort of quite bright. So there is a reaction. This black stuff here that we put in is called a catalyst, and when I finish with it I can collect the catalyst and I can use it again and again and again, but it works on that liquid, that hydrogen peroxide, to make water, and it gives off bubbles of oxygen. And you see, we could test for the oxygen. Was it nearly done? Just about done. So we got half a tube of oxygen. Do you think it'll work with half a tube of oxygen? Well, we'll try it. Bit short. We'll try it with a longer one so you can do it. So get that well alight, hold it with your hand. No, hold it with your hand. Oh. Right, you ready? Yeah. When I tell you to put it in the jar, put it in the jar. Put it in the jar, and if there's oxygen, it relights. Blow it out. Let's see if it works again. There we are. Test for oxygen.